The Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 has been launched in India with prices starting at 2 crore 43 lakh rupees ex-showroom. It will be sold as a completely built unit. The new Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 competes against the likes of the Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the Range Rover Autobiography. The opulent Maybach GLS gets a dual-tone treatment along with a dominating Maybach-style chrome grille. The bumper too sports large chrome air curtains that are conjoined by a thick chrome skid plate. The SUV rides on massive 23-inch alloy wheels and the cabin is offered in 4-seater or 5-seater configurations. It comes with Napa soft touch leather upholstery, panoramic sunroof, massage seats and the optional air balance package with a dedicated fragrance. The cabin also gets the two 12.3-inch screens as standard, equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system. Power comes from the 4-litre V8 engine that develops 542 brake horsepower and 730 Nm of peak torque. The first batch of the opulent Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 has been sold out in India. Lamborghini has finally introduced the Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider in India with prices starting at 3 crore 54 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider made its global debut last year and finally makes its way to the Indian market, joining the rear-wheel drive coupe. The country's first Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider arrives in the lovely shade of blue Sideris. Visual upgrades include the new front splitter, bespoke rear diffuser and a new rear bumper. Compared to the coupe, the Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider is about 120 kgs heavier due to the structural reinforcements and the retractable roof that can be opened or closed in just 17 seconds. Power on the convertible comes from the 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine that develops 602 brake horsepower and 560 Nm of peak torque. The Spider sprints from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds, while the top speed is rated at 324 km per hour. The open-top convertible also comes with a specially tuned performance traction control system. Kia has taken the wraps of the 5th generation Sportage SUV. The new Kia Sportage gets significant updates to the design and interior and will be launched globally later this year. The new Sportage SUV is the result of a collaborative effort between Kia's main global design network in Korea, Germany, the United States and China. The SUV shows off its completely new design based on the brand's new Opposites United philosophy. The front end gets the company's signature tiger nose grille with boomerang-shaped LED DRLs and headlights. The interior and dashboard carry a minimalist design with the instrument console and touchscreen angled towards the driver. The center console gets a premium gloss finish and incorporates a shift-by-wire transmission dial. Kia has not revealed the complete features and specifications as yet. Meanwhile, Kia India does not have any plans to bring the Sportage SUV over here anytime soon.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.